Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add legal pages like terms and conditions and privacy policy page to your WordPress site on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Bluehost account, then go to the websites page, and next to the WordPress website that you want to add legal pages on, click on this WordPress admin button. A new page will open up, and just like that, you're inside your WordPress dashboard. Now, to add your legal pages, just go to Pages, click on it, and you will see your privacy policy page draft. Click on Edit below it. And here you will see your privacy policy draft. Read it, and if you are okay with the privacy policy content page, just hit this publish button. Click on publish again, and let's view your privacy policy page live. This is it. Now let's see how to add it or how to link this page with this link here. Or before this, let's see how to add a terms and conditions page. So for this, I will use ChatGPT. So write me a terms and conditions page for my WordPress site. Let's copy my site page. My email is ben at dotcom.builders. My site is an online shop with delivery worldwide from Morocco, for example. Here's a professional terms and conditions page customized for your website. This is the title. Let's copy it. Where is my page? Let's go back to my bed. So I will go back to the WordPress dashboard, then go to Pages. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. So I will go back to the WordPress dashboard, then go to Pages and click on Add Page to create the terms and conditions page. Pass the title like that, and now let's copy the text, copy it like that, go back, paste it here. Of course, you need to read this page carefully before publishing it. After reading it, click on publish, publish again. And now this is let's view the page live. And this is the terms and conditions page and the privacy policy page. Now to add them here in the footer of my website, simply go back, or you can just click on this edit site button from the top bar. Then below content, select footer. You will be jumped here. Now select cell, or just click on this little add or plus icon. Here select the terms and conditions, and it will be added here. Same thing with the policy page. Click on save again, and let's view my website live. Just like that, my terms and conditions are added to the footer of my website. And this is how to add legal pages like privacy policy page and terms and conditions to the WordPress website on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.